The 5000 PSI Power Cleaner offers impressive power adjustable from 2,500 to 5,000 pounds per square inch, making it suitable for both light and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. It includes 4 precision-adjustable nozzles and a foam cannon, providing versatile spray options for different surfaces and detailed cleaning tasks. The long 33-foot hose and over 16-foot power cord allow you to reach distant spots without the need to move the unit frequently. Smart features like the total stop system and IPX5 waterproof rating ensure safety and efficiency, reducing water waste and preventing electrical issues. With its compact design, integrated storage solutions, and durable corrosion-resistant pump, this power cleaner is built for easy maintenance and long-lasting use. The eco-friendly electric motor not only eliminates fumes and noise, but also delivers superior performance compared to many gas models.